If you want a good brand to fulfill all the needs of your home, offices, and outdoor areas, then you should always remember one name: Lister Lightings, a company where we make products based on all values and quality parameters. Mr. Mahesh Rathi, the owner of Lister Lighting, has worked hard to fulfill their goals.
We are entered in LED light manufacturing since 2015. Set up cluster of 4 manufacturing units. Edson Group having a vast experience of manufacturing of electronic items like mobile accessory, LED lights and BLDC fans. We have a complete house of manufacturing facility which helps to control the price and qualities.
In SMT, we use the world's best machines to make LED lights and testing by on automatic machines. LED onto printed circuit boards, PCBs. These machines are essential for the high-volume production of electronic devices that use LED and LED light strips, automatic printer, lead-free reflow oven, PCB packing state, and then quality inspection. PCB manufacturing, also known as printed circuit board fabrication, is the process of transforming a designed circuit board into a physical functional product. We produce all the products in our plant under the best supervision. We have more than 800 workers work in our product line, and in future we will touch the goal with 1500 worker for producing Lister Lightings. We provide these lights in 2 types of housing in plastic and aluminium body as per market requirements. We won another plant for perticular outdoor lights production setup, especially for LED flood lights and street lights. LED outdoor lights are a great way to illuminate your property while saving on energy costs. They come in a variety of styles to suit your needs. From flood lights to street lights, we have wide range of outdoor lightings as flood lights, high day lights, street lights with auto day-night sensors, solar flood lights and solar street lights. Our aging tests simulate the effects of years of operation in a fraction of the time. R&D used to innovation in your business. These may be in terms of new products and service, improved process and new way to interact with you customers. We have highly qualified professionals for doing the jobs in sales, marketing, developers and admin staff. Here we complete our work under the best leadership and business methods. For expand the Lister Lightings, our team work hard to achieve their goals. To achieve a common goal or to complete a task in an effective and efficient way. Supporting teams are well trained and education by experienced managers. Sunil Gaikwad is the business head of Lister Lighting.
Lister LED is actively expanding its market reach both in India and the global market. With the appointment of over 200 distributors comprising North, East and West regions, our focus has now shifted to Southern India, aiming for pan-India presence.
In Lister Lighting's accounts department, we have 100% accountability with our super stockist, dealers and distributors channels. Mr. Chirag Mathrani is manager of Lister Lightings and the part of top management. Mr. Neeraj Singh is general manager of Lister Lightings.
Our Lister brand hold official approval and registration with numerous governmental entities, defense organizations, municipal corporations, public work departments, public sector undertaking, and many more private sectors.
We have proper store management system to set up finished goods. Here we follow all parameters of store management so that we can deliver LED lights timely with proper packaging. Team is consistently monitoring planning and following system and process in business operations. Energetic and dynamic team of Lister is ready to talk any challenges of business operations. fulfilling need of our valuable customers. Highlight the role of data analysis and customer feedback in shaping marketing strategies. Showcase examples of how our team conducts market research. We have best human resources team to fulfill our office staffs and supervisor requirements. All our guests are thoroughly screened by our security guards.